India's infrastructure transformation is accelerating at an unprecedented pace, from highways and metro rails to warehousing, renewable energy, and urban development projects. Demand for construction machinery across India is entering a powerful new growth cycle. For manufacturers, traders, and exporters of concrete mixers, mini cranes, lifting systems, and batching plants, FY 2026-27 presents enormous opportunities, but also growing operational and financial challenges. India's construction machines industry is fast becoming one of the most important pillars supporting our nation's infrastructure growth and industrial expansion. Rapid urbanization, surging government spending, and modernization across logistics and industrial sectors are fueling demand for construction equipment, both domestically and on the global stage. Indian manufacturers are expanding into international markets with competitively engineered products and stronger fabrication capabilities. At the same time, compact and efficient machines like concrete mixers, mini cranes, and portable equipment are seeing significant uptake in infrastructure and real estate. Yet, despite the strong outlook, operational pressures are mounting. Steel price volatility, rising procurement costs, delayed receivables, and logistics disruptions are squeezing working capital cycles. Many businesses are feeling cash flow stress. From inventory, buildup, project-based billing delays, and elongated export payment cycles, to extended dealer credit. In today's environment, strong order books aren't enough. Financial readiness and structured working capital management are now critical for sustainable growth. To navigate these challenges, businesses need more than just funding. They need a partner who understands project cycles, supply chain realities, and sector demands. That's where Bespoke Financials comes in. With structured working capital, supply chain finance, export-import solutions, and tailored funding for expansion, Bespoke Financials helps manufacturers, traders, and exporters maintain liquidity, stabilize operations, and scale confidently. With deep sector expertise and flexible solutions, I empower business leaders to build financially resilient organizations. As India enters a new era of infrastructure and industrial growth, the construction machines industry stands at the center of this transformation. The businesses that thrive in FY 2026-27 will be those combining operational strength with strategic financial preparedness. I invite you to connect with Bespoke Financials today and prepare your business for the opportunities ahead.